Mr. Danger Dave Kovahled here. Now, right now, I'm in Edmonton's River Valley, and I'm here to show you something quite interesting. It's erosion. Now, erosion is the breakdown or the moving of the earth itself, the soil, the dirt underneath our feet. It moves. Now, why does it move? It might move because of the weather. Now, in Edmonton, Alberta, there's been quite a number of rain showers that have been happening over the past month or two. That rain has drastically been affecting the earth, okay? The ground, the soil, making it move, making it a lot more easier to move. And now what we've seen in the River Valley is, well, unsafe conditions. Now, what I've done is I've come here after some days of the rainfall have passed. If you do come to the trails, I recommend going with an adult. Do not go on your own. It is not safe. Please do not do that, okay? I'm trying to be as safe as I can right now too, not going any further, but I'll show you what I've found so far. Now, normally we see these kinds of barriers too on the sides of the pathway so that you're able to look at the beautiful nature over here. However, with that rainfall, with the erosion, what we're seeing now is that barrier is totally destroyed. And you can see that over here. The earth itself has literally forced its way down onto the pathway, pushing that barrier down. And while it does that, the ground underneath buckles. Okay? It's almost like a jumpy air castle. Alright? Just kind of jumping around, moving around like bubbles underneath your feet. And it's not just on the pathway though, it's here too. You can see the cracks in the earth itself. Now, this isn't an earthquake. There isn't a movement of the tectonic plates. But this is the earth being disrupted, moving around. And again, this has to do with recent weather in Edmonton, Alberta. Now you see again, crack here, and these are the larger ones. Trees themselves have been moved around, cracked, thrown apart. The roots totally exposed. And you can see that even over here. Now again, I'm being very careful, and if you do ever see something like this, please go with an adult. This is not safe. I want to be going down there for my own safety, but as you can see, I'm standing up here, which is normally the path. Everything else has just been moved or destroyed. That probably came right from over there. Now, what this means to the River Valley is, well, the landscape is always going to be changing. And so the city will just have to clear this way out and make sure it's safe for the future. Maybe update their pathways. But this pathway was supposed to go up over there. Now it's kind of extended itself down to here. Alright. But you can see also some of these trees are snapped over with the wind. So it's not just that rainfall that's affecting the landscape here now, it's just the storms in general. Again, it's important to explore our nature around us and the world around us. However, we need to do so in a safe manner. So if you are curious enough, if you're in Edmonton, Alberta, to check out these river valleys here, ask an adult to go with you. Okay, please do not go on your own. It's not safe. Alright. Well, I've got to go back now on my mosquito killing adventures. Bye.